and it didn't, and your hands left dents in the side of it, and you left a dent in the other car, and you're not hurt at all. And the van should have smashed my legs, but you weren't holding it up. Di ba mo ito yung sulti? Yan na rin. You think I lifted a van off you? Nobody will believe that, you know. I'm not going to tell anybody.
What's the name? Book reading?
Can you just thank me and get it over? I get over with it. Wow, this is
Can you just both get over with the Twilight
You're not
thing?
going to let it go, are you? Di ba kung iyang linya? Parang, can you just thank me and get over it? Thank you. You're not going to let it go, are you?
Tanawon doon ako na unya, be. Kaya parang ano yung article,
Dayon.
get over with
In that
Twilight.
case, I hope you enjoyed this appointment. Di ba? Wag lang ninyo. As in, urog. My God. Daghan lang yun ka ng mga wala na show dito. No! Stop it!
Istorya mo
You're so annoying.
Can you do it in a British accent then?
Kumalay siya ba?
Oh, yun na.